License and registration, please? Yes, officer.
Most people think they know their rights, but it's February 2026, and the game has changed. Between the Supreme Court's brand new ruling in Case v. Montana and AI bodycams that flag your every word as a confession, 90% of drivers are walking into a legal trap before the officer even reaches the window. Today, I'm giving you the masterclass. 5 scenarios, 5 traps, and the exact words that will save your freedom.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Trap 1, the polite confession. When you see this sign, stop.
Do you know why I pulled you over today?
I'm so sorry, officer. I know I was rushing, I just didn't see the sign.
Stop! You just lost. In 2026, police use AI like Axon Draft One. Your I'm sorry is instantly auto-transcribed into a formal police report as a voluntary admission of guilt. You can't lawyer your way out of a transcript you created yourself.
Emotional damage.
Correct conversation.
Do you know why I pulled you over today?
I'm not sure, officer. I'd prefer not to answer questions. But I have my license ready.
The rule: in the age of AI, silence is a feature, not a bug. Trap 2, the ID battle.
I need ID from everyone in the vehicle. Passengers too.
I don't have to show you that, do I?
No way! You gotta be kidding! That's not right!
This depends on your map. In 2026, Texas SB 1551 makes it a crime for a driver to refuse ID. But for passengers, the Fourth Amendment still stands. Unless they have reasonable suspicion you committed a crime, you aren't a mobile database.
Officer, am I being detained or am I free to go?
You're just a passenger, but I need the ID.
If I'm not being detained, I prefer to keep my identity private.
Trap 3, the Sentry Surprise.
Your car's cameras recorded that accident. I need you to share the footage to the cloud right now.
In 2026, your car is a computer on wheels. Police want your voluntary cooperation because it's faster than a warrant. But remember, if you give them that footage, you lose control over how far back it's reviewed and what infractions might be identified.
Hi.
Okay.
I'm happy to help if you have a warrant, but I don't consent to a search of my data today.
The rule: your data is your property. Don't be a volunteer witness against yourself. Trap 4, the magic words.
Look, your friend already talked. Just tell me your side so I can help you out.
In 2026, maybe I should talk to a lawyer isn't a legal shield. It's an invitation to keep talking. You need to kill the conversation instantly.
I want my lawyer.
Once you say these words, the AI recorded interrogation must legally stop.
Officer, I am exercising my right to remain silent and I want my lawyer.
Trap 5, the knock and talk.
We just want to chat for a minute. Can you step out?
This is the most dangerous trap. On January 14th, 2026, the Supreme Court ruled in Case v. Montana that police only need objective reasonableness, not probable cause, to perform certain emergency checks. If you step out, it can give them access to your vehicle for plain view searches without a warrant.
Do you have probable cause or a warrant?
No, just checking on you.
Are you kidding? That's unfair. She made those. I need to calm down. Everything's fine.
Amanda.
I'm an adult.
I do not consent to a search. I will cooperate once my attorney is present.
No apologies, no data dumps, 4 magic words, door stays shut. 2026 policing is high tech, but your rights are high priority. Don't let a 30-second conversation ruin your life. Subscribe to The Trending Lawyer and watch my Epstein Safal playlist next. Stay safe, stay silent.